Alright guys, we got another car here. We got 2015 Kia Sedona. We're replacing the bolt lower control arm on these vehicles. Yep, this is the one right here, guys. Got a brand new bushing, new ball joint, new another bushing right there. We're replacing both sides. This is the vehicles right here, guys. This is a 2015 Kia Sedona. We're replacing this lower control arm assembly. First thing we have to do, we have to remove the wheel. Yep, and raise the car up. Check it out, guys. We're gonna show you how to get this lower control arm done using the replacement parts. Yep, check it out. Alright guys, after we remove the wheel, we just removed the wheel. Now we have to remove this main bolt for lower control arm, and also right there, and also lower ball joint. We're gonna remove all that stuff so we can get this thing out of the way. Yep, that's how we're gonna replace it, guys. Check it out. Alright guys, we're gonna remove this cotter pin right here. We're gonna use this needle nose to remove the cotter pin. Yep. Check it out. Alright guys, we got the cotter pin out. Now we have to do a 17mm nuts and also a bolt. We're gonna use this tools right here. Yep. Alright, we got that bolt out. Now we're gonna remove this one right here, right there, and also this one. Yep. Check it out, guys. Alright guys, check it out. We got it off. So we're just gonna pry this out right here now. Yep, that's the one right here, guys. Alright guys, we got it. We got to give it a little lube. Yep, it works all the time, guys. Alright, we got one on there. We got this bolt on there, and another one right here, and we got another one right there. So just like that, guys. Yep. Alright guys, all done. We got it mounted. Just like that, guys. Now we gotta put the wheel back in there. Yep. Just like that, guys. Check it out. Alright guys, we got a brand new lower control arm. Yep. Brand new ball joint, new cotter pin. Yep, all brand new, guys. That's how we do it. Yep, all done. Yep, Kia Sedona.